are you?
Who am I? Who am I? I am Titus, Lord of Dogs! Did you just shoot me? I'm trying to take a pee! That is very disrespectful! Stop that! Stop that now! Action.
No.
Then I guess you have to talk to me! Oh, never mind, you gave me a treat, we're good. You could keep on shooting me. I am the bloody Titus, man! Stop shooting me! Oh, you are gonna all die. Can somebody let me in? It's kind of cold out here. I'm talking to you! Boy, oh wait, you're a girl. I'm sorry. In the meantime, let's party. We like to party. We like to party. We like to party. We like to party. Hey now, do what I say now. I'm rolling inside the grass. La 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 la. I like singing. Oh my God, I'm so white. You can hardly see me. Oh, why am I so freaking white?
Hi. Do it, dog.
Alright, that was the video. Today. That's Titus getting shot. Yeah, that's my dog. Well, our dog. He's kind of violent, so we won't let him out of any place. Maybe later we'll make some more videos of Titus, the Lord of the Dogs. So, Titus!
So, we're cut.
I need to go to a dog hospital. I broke my butt. Oh, it hurts. Oh, it hurts. Oh, God. Come here, Titus. Hey, sit. Sit. How do you feel, Titus?
I feel fine. Thanks to your shooting.
Say bye. Say bye, Titus.
Bye.
Bye, you freaking booze.